Right, okay guys, girls, welcome back for another video. It's me, Tony. How are you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Right, in today's video we're going to be covering the best of the best of the best phone holder and wireless charger. Now, it's a GPS mount style holder, not a stem mount holder. If you're after the stem mount holder, like the Quadlock stem mount for instance, that doesn't fit for the Kawasaki, I show you what you need in order to fit a stem mount in a previous video, so you can hit that here. If it's not here, if you can't see it, you can hit that in the link in the comments in the description, so check that out because that shows you how to fit the Quadlock. Right, so this video is the best of the best of the best Quadlock and wireless charger holder, so let's roll with it. Let's go. Right, okay, so this is the kit that we're going to be using in today's video. Here we have the wireless weatherproof Quadlock charging head. This is just the head only, which is actually this piece right here, and it has a USB that goes in back. That is weatherproof. I've just lost the screw, I'll get it in a minute. The second bit and the most important bit that we're going to be using is this. It's a GPS bracket from EPIDEMIC Performance, if you can see that. Yeah, you can. If you don't have one of these, you might be able to use the Kawasaki Touring GPS mount that you get with the bike when you buy the Touring pack. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to retrofit that. We're also going to need this. If you've got an iPhone, you're definitely going to need this. This is a vibration dampener, and how it works is you're going down the road, as you're hitting potholes and bumps and stuff, this is going to take the vibration out of the mount, and it stops your phone camera getting broken, and it works. I've used it and my phone's been fine. Now, the other main thing you're going to need is this. This is a Quadlock case that goes on your phone, and it has the notches, so basically when you put your phone on, you twist it round and it holds it in place. Now, this has got the notches on this side, so they all fit together. What we're going to do is I'm going to fire it together and I'm going to show you how it all works. But honestly, this, I know it's a little bit expensive, all this stuff. I think this wireless charging head, I think this is, in the UK, this is like 60 odd quid. This is the EPIDEMIC Performance mount. This is also quite expensive at, like, I think this is best part of 60 quid as well. Vibration dampener, I didn't pay for this, but I believe I don't actually know the price. I'll stick it on the screen now. But honestly, this is the best of the best, the most stable, strong and most secure phone mount that you can get on your bike right now. So if you've got money and money's not an issue, you 100% want to get this kit. Right, let's get it fitted and let's try it out. Right, okay, let's get this part fitted. This is the EPIDEMIC Performance Quadlock mount. It does come with the Quadlock adapter on top when you first buy it, so just take that off and we're going to use the wireless charging instead. Very simple, just slots in there, and we're going to be using a 5mm Allen key. I believe that's a 5mm. Right, okay, just a word of notice as well that you do have your tank here, so you're going to need a long key, a long Allen key to get in there. If you've got a short Allen key, you're probably going to scratch your tank, so just be careful that you don't scratch your tank here. I'm quite close. The longer your Allen key, the better. Right, okay, just make sure you do it hand tight. Once it's hand tight, just give it a little notch and that'll be spot on. It doesn't need to be torqued up, I don't believe. Right, okay, moving on to the next bit, the vibration dampener, which is this bit. This is going to be a 3mm Allen key, I believe. Just double check that. And if you put your Allen key inside, there is a screw right down below at the bottom, so just stick it right in. And we're going to right, I might have to play with this a little bit to make sure it's in the right spot, but just tighten that in there. Right, okay, we do get a special USB lead with this. It's got a weatherproof like rubber system on it. Now it does just slot into the bottom of this, dead easy. Make sure you give it a right good firm push. There we go, look. and then we're going to be using the exact same Allen key that we use for all the Quadlock stuff. They're all the same size, and you can have it any way you want this. If you want your phone landscape, you can turn it the other way, or if you like me, you like it this way. I'll show you why in a minute. Make sure you get it straight, tighten it up. Right, just hand tight, nothing too serious. You don't want to be breaking anything. Right, okay, so once you've got your phone case on there, make sure you order the right phone case. They do it from all different phones. Right, okay, so as soon as you're ready to put your phone on, 45-degree angle when you're looking at it from the top, you literally just click it on, and it takes a little bit of getting used to once you've done it 2 or 3 times. It's dead easy just to slot it in. It's got to be at a 45-degree angle when it clips in. Now there is 2 notches at the side here that hold it in place, and as you can see, it's super strong. A few cracks, that ain't going nowhere. I'll tell you what's moving up and down there. It's the EPIDEMIC Performance, and what's good about that is literally I can get my key and I can just fit it in, and then I'll just move it back up again. There's some tighteners at the side if you want to tighten it up and don't move it, but for me it's perfect the way it is. So yeah, when you're ready for unreleasing it, just push the side bits down, 45-degree, bang, off, dead easy. Now you can have your phone portrait mode, you can have it any way you want. So if you want to ride that way around, look, you can have it that way around. Just probably lean it up a little bit more. And if you're like me, I don't really like it that way around. I prefer mine in a landscape mode. So yeah, if you're like me, I prefer mine in that view. And don't forget, it is wireless charging, so there's no charge coming out the side of my phone now. That is charging when I've got my bike switched on, and it's absolutely brilliant. Honestly, it's the best of the best of the best build. There's no wires hanging about. It's weatherproof, so like it's raining now, quite bad, it's raining, and it's working an absolute treat, and it looks great. So yeah, when you got your sat nav on, it looks great. Yeah, look, check that out. So we are using the Kalimoto sat nav app there, which is a really good layout. If you're interested in that, go check it out. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, shape or form. Right, okay, what we're going to do, we're going to take you for a quick blast up the road, and I'm going to show you just how strong and stable it is going over speed bumps and whatnot. Right, okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back for part 2 of our video, where we're going to go out for a quick ride. I'm going to show you how stable and secure the Quadlock mount is. Sun's come out. I don't know where the sun's come out because it was raining earlier, but yeah, the sun's come out now. We've got the Kawasaki Ninja out, and we're going to put the Quadlock on. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. So one-handed, we're going to put this straight on, hopefully. 45-degree angle, and then pow, it's on. And you can tilt it, so you can get your key in and out, tilt it back. And engine's already warm, don't worry. Right, okay, we're going to go over some speed bumps, and we're going to test, see how stable and secure the Quadlock mount is. It is on wireless charge now, so it is charging. If you've got a fairly new iPhone that supports wireless charging, this is awesome. And just in case you're wondering, this is Kawasaki Ninja 1000SX. It's a 2020 plate. It's exactly the same as a 21 plate, and the new 2022 plates that are coming out, they've got the exact same GPS mount for this to work. And I believe this EPIDEMIC GPS mount, see, it's not moving one bit there. I believe this GPS mount works on previous Z1000SX models as well. And if this doesn't work, you can retrofit this to any mount that you want on any bike. You don't have to be a Kawasaki. It can literally be any brand of bike. As long as you've got a GPS mount, this will work 100%. So if you're wondering what that is there, that's the Insta360 One X2. It's a 360 camera that's got a wireless stick on it. It looks weird from this angle, but I'll show it you from the other angle, and it makes it look like there's a drone flying in front of me. Pretty cool. I'm just going to nip up to Castle Hill. I'm going to show you just how cool this mount is. I should have put my GPS on so you could see it. One good thing about this at the moment is that I don't really have to tilt my head that far. It's literally on the same angle that my dashboard is, so it's literally just there. Just tilt my head down just a little bit, bang, there it is. So let's turn left. Don't think there's all coming, nope. I'm just going to pull over, I'm just going to stick my GPS on. Right, okay, off we go. As you can see, we've got the GPS navigation on now. Like I said previously, it is wireless charging. And it looks cool. Isn't that just a cool looking setup? I think that's an awesome setup. It don't budge, it's not moving. It's not breaking my phone camera because it's got the vibration dampener on it. And there's no fiddly wires to mess about with. It is waterproof. Well, actually, Quadlock says it's weatherproof. I'm taking that as it's waterproof, but maybe not 100%, so be careful with that. In order for the wireless system to work, you do need to have it on a 12 volt supply. I've just got mine linked into my USB. It's just a slot in and off you go. I believe you could wire it up to a battery or on a fuse if that's what you wanted to do. And just get around this corner. So we're just heading up to Castle Hill, which is up there, if you can see it. I'll just tilt the camera up. That's where we're heading right now. Should have brought my drone with me. And yeah, it's looking awesome. And like I said before, the angle of this is nearly exactly the same as the dashboard. It's literally just the same. I don't have to bend my neck right down to look at my phone. It's just a flick of the eyes, pow, and it's done. So yeah, I'm really liking this, and I know it's expensive. You can get cheaper alternatives, but for me, you know, it's solid, it's secure, it locks your phone in place. It's got a locking attachment on the Quadlock, which you have to press in to detach. Oh man, these views up here are going to be absolutely awesome. I'll take you for a walk up here when we get up. Always somebody at way, isn't there? A lot of people come up here for the scenery, you know. Here's Castle Hill. Go up here. Right, okay guys, so it's dead easy to unattach this. It's literally just the lockable things that you push down with your fingers there, 45 degrees, and it's off. How easy is that? Dead easy. Right, okay, let's have a quick walk up here. Turn this camera off. Check this out for scenery. There's Castle Hill, Huddersfield. Now that is the scenery, isn't it? Right, so guys, girls, don't forget all the links you can buy for the Quadlock are in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Peace!